Hi everybody, this is video 2.3 and I have 3 quick goals today and I'm going to do each goal in a separate video. The first thing I'd like to tell you is that you're going to need to do something called opening the accounts or recording opening balances in the T accounts for your assignment. All that means is to create all the accounts of the business. I want to put them all, I want to give each T a name based on the accounts in the questions. So in the green shaded area, these are the accounts of the business. And I just set them up. I would just type in the name of the accounts and the T's. Okay, so set them up. Notice that I have all of the assets sort of on the left side of the spreadsheet. So these are all the assets. And over here I have all the liabilities and I go down and I have the equity. I put some numbers in to speed this up. So this question says, I'm just going to scroll down here and I'm using the question from 2.1 just as a demonstration. The question says, record these April 30 balances in T accounts. Well, here's the balances in the green. So I have to put those opening or starting balances in the T's. How do you know which side to put them on? Well, all the assets are on the left side of the equation, and that is the debit side. And the debit side is the increase side for assets. So it makes sense that the normal or expected balance for assets is a debit. So when you put in the amounts for the opening entries, make sure they're going on the debit side. So 5,200 for cash. Accounts receivable is 6,500. And you keep going. And I've put them all in already. Supplies 1,700, land 45,500. When you get over here to the liabilities, liabilities are on the right side of the equation. So the expected or the normal balance for a liability is a credit. So put the balances for the liabilities on the credit side. So 33,750. I'm just getting my info from here. And my taxes payable 830 and so on. And I've actually already entered them all in. So all of the account balances now are set up with an account name at the top and an opening balance in the black font. So all the black fonts are my opening balances as of April 30th. And then what happens? Well, all the transactions happen. Next step would be to enter the transactions in the T accounts and calculate the balances. So I'm going to stop here. This is setting up the T accounts. That's how you do it. Here's a neat little trick. If you click on the trial balance, I've linked it to this spreadsheet. If you get 356,000 in your trial balance, after you enter your opening balances, you are on the right track. It means you didn't make a mistake in the entries for one of the numbers. So this is just a quick check. Trial balance is a quick check that all of the debits equal the credits. And in this case, they do. And as you enter your transactions, this will automatically update. So you won't have to do anything here, but this is a nice little check. I will just say quickly though, that notice all the accounts are listed in order of assets, and then liabilities, and then there's your capital. And then it's totaled up. So I added up all the debits, I added up all the credits, and the debits equal the credits. I know I'm in good shape. Okay, that's video number 1. Hope it made sense.